The Volkswagen Atlas and its swoopier Atlas Cross Sport sibling are at the center of a potentially dangerous issue. A total of 222,892 examples of the 2019 to 2022 model year German SUVs are being recalled due to a faulty wiring harness, which may cause a delay in the deployment of the driver or passenger front side airbag in a side impact collision. The NHTSA issued a recall notice after it was discovered that the electronic contacts for the door wiring harness may corrode, disrupting the electrical connection. The ramifications of this failure are plain to see. Buyers often opt for SUVs due to their perceived safety, and the possibility of a delayed airbag deployment is the difference between life and death. Of the nearly 230,000 vehicles affected, 100% are estimated to be affected. As per the NHTSA recall report, all afflicted vehicles have been manufactured with terminals from one supplier, and have no additional measures against micro-movement. Owners are expected to be notified, via mail, by May 10, 2022. Dealers will remedy the situation by securing, or, if required, replacing front door wiring harnesses showing a fault code, says the agency.